Are you guys wondering why Telegram people nearby is not showing on your Telegram? As you can see right here on the bottom left, the feature people nearby is not showing. Now, there is a reason behind it and I'll tell you guys, but before that, if you are new to our channel, just head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now, let's jump right into it. Now, Telegram has removed this feature because people and Telegram has been facing problems with bots and scammers. Now, bots and scammers use this feature to scam people nearby, and this has caused a lot of problem for Telegram and for its users. So Telegram has dropped this feature and is now replacing it with businesses nearby feature. And now it will feature businesses and it will help businesses nearby you grow. Now that is the reason behind Telegram not showing people nearby on its app. And yeah, that is all for the video too, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys found this video helpful and informative. And that is all for the video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.